Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2004-2007 Ford Freestar? This video shows you how to do it yourself, saving time and money. This process pairs the fob with your van to control door locks and the liftgate. The Ford Freestar key fob operates on a 3.4 MHz radio frequency system. This frequency falls in the radio wave portion of the electromagnetic spectrum, allowing wireless signals to travel from the fob to the vehicle's receiver. The system uses rolling code encryption for security. Each time you press a button, the fob generates a new, unique code that changes sequentially. This prevents thieves from recording and replaying signals to unlock the vehicle. Programming involves entering a special program mode in the vehicle. This is done by cycling the ignition key in a specific sequence. Once in program mode, pressing buttons on the key fob syncs it with the vehicle's receiver, pairing the remote for use. This DIY programming method pairs remote key fobs, which control functions like locking doors and opening the liftgate. It does not program transponder keys used for ignition, which contain embedded chips and require specialized dealership equipment for pairing. Ensure you have a working key fob. Test the buttons near the vehicle to confirm they function properly. The vehicle's ignition should be in the off position before starting the programming process. Precise timing is crucial during programming. Delays over 5 seconds can reset the entire process. Aftermarket fobs often work if they match the original FCC ID, OUCG8D-387HA. However, success rates vary, typically around 70 to 80%. Turn the ignition from off to on without starting the engine 4 times within 10 seconds. A chime should indicate entry into program mode. Within 20 seconds, press any button on the key fob you want to program. The door locks should cycle to confirm programming. Repeat for other fobs, up to a maximum of 4. Turn the ignition off to exit program mode. If programming fails, check the key fob battery first. Next, ensure the vehicle's battery is charged. Timing errors are a common cause of failure. Also, check fuse number 17 in the instrument panel. If problems persist, the receiver module might be faulty. One Freestar owner successfully programmed 2 new fobs by following the Ford manual and using a phone stopwatch for precise timing. This saved them $100 in dealer fees. Precise timing really makes a difference. Sometimes DIY programming fails due to underlying issues. One user's attempt failed due to a corroded receiver module. Replacing the module allowed successful programming. Electrical issues complicate the DIY process. Automotive technicians from AAA and Ford emphasize that DIY key fob programming is generally safe for Freestars, with an 85% success rate according to forum surveys. However, they strongly advise against attempting it if the vehicle has a history of electrical problems. Always ensure the vehicle is parked and keys are not in the ignition during the programming process. This prevents accidental lockouts and maintains safety. Looking ahead, fewer OEM parts will be available as the model ages. This will push Freestar owners toward universal remotes or full keyless entry upgrades, potentially incorporating modern features like app-based pairing.